Hello and welcome to the Small Workshop Adventures. This tiny workshop with big ambitions. What we're doing today, or what we're doing on this video, is I'm going to make a door. So using tongue and groove, and I'm just going to go through the process of making a door. So enjoy. So we have some 6x1, some 2x1, and we have some tongue and groove, which is about 16 mil, 15-16 mil thickness. So there's the materials, and we're going to make a door. So there we go, the end result, we have a nice, I'm covering myself there, a nice tongue and groove door with a nice mould on it. Oh, you can see that on the camera, and it's been sanded up. I've got to varnish, not varnish it, I'm going to polish it up with some beeswax, but that's a lovely tongue and groove door, and you can see that there, shows it around. For those of you who want to know what I used, obviously you've seen the Trend palm router, which is really easy to use. Brilliant bit of kit and really lightweight for a router, so it's great for doing this sort of thing. The actual, I've just got some Trend router bits, and the actual bit that I used there was the DIA, capital letters, and God, I can't see with my glasses. 25mm R 4mm. So for those of you who are interested in anything like that, or working out or trying to find the right router bit, you can choose whatever router bit you want. Obviously you can keep it square, but I think it just finishes off a door really nice, just to put a mould on it of some description, and there's so many to choose from. So enjoy. If you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful, then please like and subscribe, and there'll be more adventures in the small workshop. Take care.